Hello, children. How are you? I think you all are safe and well at home, and you all are interested to watch these videos in the WhatsApp. I have seen you're interested. You have sent many projects. Thank you. And today, now we are going to study the social studies lesson 2. We need water. What is the topic? We need water. In the topic, in this lesson, we have a 4 subtopics. We have a 4 subtopics. Use of water. Where do we get water from? Water in our homes. Saving water. Once again, the topics I'll read. Use of water. Where do we get water from? Water in our homes. Saving water. Now in the topic we studied we need water. We need water to live. We need water to live. So do the animals need water? Or the plants? Yes. Animals and plants also need water to live and grow. So first topic we are going to see uses of water. First topic we are going to see uses of water. In uses of water, first we are seeing as soon as we get up from the bed, what you have to do? We have to drink water. Yes, water is used to drink water. To drink. The next is to take bath. You can see the picture clearly. What the boy is doing? To take bath, the water is used. Next is to cook. Mother wants to cook means without water we cannot cook. To cook. To clean our homes. To clean the floor. To mopping. To clean the walls and the windows. We need water to keep our homes clean. We need water. To wash our clothes. We need water. Water is used to wash our clothes. And the thing, water is also used to grow crops. Crops means plants. செடி வளர்க்கறதுக்கு நமக்கு என்ன வேணும்? தண்ணி. Water is used to grow crops. And when anywhere fire, what they'll do? The people will do? What the people will do? They'll rang up to the fire station. The firefighter will come and they will put off the fires. So water is used to put off the fire. Now children, you all seen the picture. You all seen the picture one by one. You have to think what are the pictures one by one is shown and what you saw. Come on, recall it. Yes, I think you are recalling. Once again, we'll see that with the spelling. Uses of water. What all we are using water? To drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. To take bath. B-A-T-H, bath. To cook food. Cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Food. To clean our house. To clean our house. Clean. To clean. C-L-E-A-N, to clean our house. To wash clothes. What's the spelling for wash? W-A-S-H, wash clothes. And to grow crops. Grow. G-R-O-W, grow crops. C-R-O-P-S, crops. To grow crops. To put off fire. To put off fire. Put off. P-U-T, put. F-O-F-F, off, fire. F-I-R-E, fire. These are the things we learned about uses of water. To drink, to take bath, to cook food, to clean our house, to wash clothes, to grow crops, to put off the fire. Children, Now the next we are going to see the water we are used for drink, cooking, everything. This waters, where do we get from? Where do we get water from? Do you know where we are getting the waters? Yes, from the water sources. Now we are going to see the waters from where we are getting. The main water source is rain. Rain is the main water source. Children, now in this video what you can see, it's raining. The rainwater from where we are getting? The clouds in the sky give us rain. From the clouds rain falls. Rain is the main source of water. The rainwater goes into the rivers, stream, lake, ponds and wells. We get the water. These are the water sources. We use these water sources in a various needs. We can see water on the surface of the earth. So rain is the main source of water. Now you all saw the video. It was raining. Yes. So rain is the main sources of water we saw. Now we will see from the rain what are the water sources we are getting on the earth. Here see the rain is the main sources of water. Rain is the main sources of water. Rain spelling R-A-I-N, rain. Now rainwater, when rain comes, it collects the water from the various places. Rain water collects in the ponds, lakes, river, seas and oceans. Ponds. Ponds means in Tamil we say kolam. Now first we will see about the ponds. Children, now see the pond. The duck is playing in the water and you can see the pond's water how it is. A pond is a small water body of water. A pond is a small body of water. A pond is a small body of water surrounded by lands on all the sides. All the sides the land will be in the pond. The fishes, snakes, crabs, this all live in the ponds and see the duck is playing. And here the plants also grow, the flowers also grow. What are the flowers? Water lily and lotus. Lotus is our national flower. It grows in the pond. See what you are seeing, anyone can guess? Yes, it is a lake. Lake in Tamil, Eri. In the lake, it's also water source, but people nowadays they are enjoying living boats and going riding boats. All they are doing in the lakes. Lake is a large water body entirely surrounded by lands. It may be nature or man-made. Man-made means from the lake only they'll make a dance. Whenever you want water, they'll open and give. The water will come in the river. Next we'll see the. Now see the river, how nice it floats. The calm water. In the village side and all, if we go now, I love to see the river water. I enjoy to see the flowing water. But in Chennai, we cannot see the river water. It's all collected in the Chennai. The river water, how it forms? Na? The small streams join together, the river forms. We use the river water for many ways. But nowadays, straight away we cannot use this water. We have to purify this water and we have to use. In olden days, people live near the river side. Wherever the river, the people used to put their shelter to live, because water is the main for us to live. We have seen the river water, how nice it flows, and I explained while the video was going. Once we'll read this one. The snow on the mountains, read it, the snow on the mountain melts in summer. This water flows down as streams. I said no, many streams join together only river. Many streams join to form a river. If many streams join only, river will form. Once we'll read, the snow on the mountain melts in summer. This water flows down as streams. Many streams join to form a river. Next, we are going to see sea and ocean. Sea and ocean. A sea is a large body of water. You all seen the sea. You have went to the beach. Yes, we like to go to beach and want to enjoy the waves. It's a large body of water. Many rivers. First we saw now the rivers. You will be having a doubt where this water all going. Yes, this water all going and joining to the river. Many rivers flow into the sea. Big seas are called the ocean. Big seas are called ocean. What is the ocean spelling? O-C-E-A-N-S, oceans. The water in the seas and oceans is salty. If you go to beach, you like to drink that water? No. Why? It is salty. We cannot drink this water. We cannot drink the sea water. Now we'll see the sea and oceans in the video. This is what you are seeing. It's a ocean. See the waves, how it is comes. The ocean. In the ocean, big fishes are living, and through the ocean, they are using ship and going to the other countries. On the earth, if you see, 3/4 of earth is covered by water. 83% is full of water. You can see the ocean. Next, water source is what you are seeing. Anyone can guess? Yes, you love to see and we love to take bath in this. What is this? Waterfalls. In Tamil Nadu, we are having many waterfalls. If I ask, you all will tell Kutralam. It's a famous in Tamil Nadu. It's also one of the water sources. When water falls from the great height, from the height only it falls. So the falls is formed. When water falls from the great height, a waterfall is formed. Now see what the people is doing and where they are getting the water. They're fetching the water. Yes, they are fetching the water from the bucket. The deep, from underground. The underground water is called a well. This is well. Those days in all the house, every house they used to have a well. Nowadays only we cannot see the well. Everywhere we are putting the pump, bore pump, and straight away the water is coming in the tap. Well water. Water from ponds. Children, you have seen the video of waterfalls and the well. Now we'll see and read about the waterfalls. When water falls from a great height, when water falls from the great height, a waterfall is formed. When the water falls, when water falls from a great height, height, the waterfall is formed. Next, well. Water is also found under the ground. The well water, where we will find the water? Under the ground. We dig wells to get water. When we dig only, we will get the well water. So children, now we have seen the water sources. We have seen the water sources. What are the water sources? Main water source is rain. From that, all the rainwaters collects from the ponds, river, lakes, seas, waterfalls and the well. These are the water sources. Today we learned today two topics: uses of water and the where do we get water from. The next week we are going to learn about the water in our homes and how we have to save water. The next section we learn this one. Now children, today what I teach you, you just go through the videos. What are the importance you feel, you learn it. When we give the question answers and the fill in the blanks, try to write and learn at home. Be safe and be healthy. Study well. All the best. Thank you.